Good morning, David.
Good morning and welcome back to Unbox.
Welcome back.
2 boxes.
2 boxes, 1 knife.
Wait, hold on. Spoilers.
Oh, I'm here for the surprise. Bubble wrap. Okay.
Show them what they've won.
Alrighty.
More boxes. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay.
So, let's see here. PVA release film. That's one. Laminating epoxy resin. We've got some mad scientist stuff going on here. It looks like we've got some measuring cups, some popsicle sticks, spoons.
And let me hand you this. Show them that twill, Allison. Show them that pattern. What do you see?
It says 2x2 twill weave carbon fiber fabric.
Carbon fiber fabric.
David, tell me what I'm holding in my hands here.
Why would you make something out of any other material than carbon fiber? Carbon fiber is not just for fancy folks, it's also an arts and crafts project. So that's why we have this. Looking forward to what people are gonna do with this. Making a big mess using crazy toxic chemicals to make something super light and strong. Bring it on. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.